sí bá ọmọ mi jọ̀wọ́ ṣé ọkọ ẹ sọnù ni ṣọkọ ẹ sọnù ṣé wọ́n ka sẹ́ńsọ̀ oh God, you guys can be unbecoming. Ẹ gbà mí, ṣé wọ́n ka sẹ́ńsọ̀ àwọn ọkọ wọ́n wá sọ pé ọkọ ẹ ń kọ́ ó wà nù kúlà nù yàrá mi ló ṣe ń wá bàbá ọmọ torí kò yé mi. Ọmọ ò ṣáà ń ṣe fúrúùtù kò dẹ̀ ṣe kì í ṣe ápù tó ń jábọ́ látọ̀run. Ìmísí kan ló máa dàpọ̀ mọ́ ìmísí kan tó máa fi bí ìmísí kan. Ẹ má nira yín lára, ẹ má dára yín láàmú. Ṣó ti yé yín? Kò pọ̀ dandan kó kí wá congratulation má bọ̀dà. Kò pọ̀ dandan. Tí ó bá convenient fún ẹ má wọrí àwa ò bọ̀dà. Kò kàn wá. Níbi táwa wà yìí aláyọ̀ là wà. Aláyọ̀ òun là wà, àwa ò mọ̀ ju congratulations lọ. Ibi táláyọ̀ bá ti ń yọ ibẹ̀ làwa máa ń jókòó sí. Ṣé you understand? Ẹ̀yin má wo èmi lẹ́yìn fẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mi mò ń ṣe fíìmù. Èmi mò ń ṣe tíátà. Ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mi mò ń ṣe tíátà. Ṣé mo fọkàn wá ṣe tíátà ni? Àbí tí kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
DAYO AMUSA responds to questions about son's father. Don't worry about it. Nollywood actress and singer DAYO AMUSA recently addressed persistent questions regarding the identity of her son's father. Taken to social media, AMUSA shared a candid response, urging fans and followers not to stress about matters that she believes should remain private. She expressed gratitude for the interest but maintained that the well-being of her child is the priority. In her message, AMUSA reassured everyone that there is no cause for concern, emphasizing that she is fully capable of handling her responsibilities as a mother. Her response was met with mixed reactions, with many fans applauding her stance on maintaining boundaries and respecting her family's privacy. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.